Hello everyone, welcome to Theme Park Life. My name's MJ and we are looking at my entry into DigitalDan's Alton Towers competition. He has run a competition to build a new roller coaster for Alton Towers on the Gallactica Car Park, or Air Car Park, whatever you want to call it. This is my entry. It's called Resurgence. As you can see, it's a B&M Wing Rider. So I'll just sort of take you around the actual layout from afar before we actually watch a POV of it. As you can see, Dan has actually built Gallactica over there, and so the pathway that connects... No, that's fine, to be honest. That's alright. Lovely. Lovely. So the entrance path connects over here. So the first thing I knew I wanted was like a big feature to happen as you walk into the area, and so I went for this double overbanked turn, which if you are walking into the area I think looks really cool, and just sort of overbanks and that sort of emphasis on sort of, I don't even know how to describe it, but the trains sticking out I thought was really important on a wing rider. So that's why this particular coaster has got a lot of those types of features. Here's the entrance. In terms of theming, I'm not great. I'm pretty new to Planet Coaster, so this took me a while and it's still not great. But yeah, basically this ride has got the rough storyline of the Alton Beast. When it was dismantled, the energy from that ride, or the magic from that ride, was bestowed into the ground at Alton Towers, and when they started building this new roller coaster, that magic re-emerged, and so it's called Resurgence. So this ride is basically, although it doesn't share any similarities in actual features, from my story point of view, it's basically a reincarnation of the Alton Towers Beast. So the riders go through this queue line, which I think is a really good queue line, as it goes over elements of the track and weaves in and out and gives you really good sort of views of the coaster, and then you enter into this sort of bouldery station building, which, as I say, I'm not great at theming. I'm pretty new to Planet Coaster. Give me a break, is what I'm saying, guys. And am I in focus? Sort of feel like I'm not, but I'm not the important bit of this thing anyway. Right, so the actual features of the ride, as you come out of perfect timing, as you come out of the station, you dip down and then up into a little launched valley, I guess you'd call it, turn around into the first launch. The launch takes you over the highest overbank, that is the highest point of the ride, and brings you back round into the loop, which goes around the launch. Then you've got another really nice big long overbank into a 0G roll. And then you come into the second overbank turn that goes over the entrance. Then some wishing washing, don't know what that means, but whipping in and out of the track into, oh god, I need to keep up with the camera, a launch, where fountains go off and you go into this nice double upwards helix, and then the helix turns into a sort of an inline twist, but it's a declining inline twist and almost a bit of an like stall. Declining inline stall. There you go, I made a new element. So that is a ride. Let's do the POV. Let's ride it. What does it look like? Yeah, here we go. I hope you enjoy my ride. It's called Resurgence. It's fun, probably. Do you want to go? Fucking... Can't get a staff these days. At least she's wearing the uniform, though. I mean... Yeah, air gates have gone. So... Oh, look at that. The ride vehicle going overhead. I won't narrate, I'll let you enjoy. Some steam effects in there, some lights. I will narrate a bit, actually. And yeah, I know it could be a bit smoother, guys. I did my best. Don't know how DigitalDan's competitions work. I don't know if just the fact that I've made this, it guarantees it will be in the video, or if he'll only show his favourites. Although you'd sort of hope, wouldn't you, with this, because I think it's pretty good. 0G, as I say, the only thing is it's not particularly smooth throughout it, but you get the idea. Custom built supports there as well, guys. There's a bit where it weaves in and out. Very close sort of near miss with the station. Our fountain launch. Oh wow, it's so good. I probably could have made this helix a bit more banked actually. Nice declining inline stall. And then back round, and again this could probably be more banked as well. So there's a few, and I wish the boulders weren't shown through this, the ceiling here. So yeah, there's probably a few things that I would change. But overall guys, I'm very happy with this. Yeah, I'd be really interested to hear what your thoughts are. There's the sort of bird's eye view. Very unique. In terms of colour scheme, literally just my favourite colour is chartreuse, so like yellow-green. So yeah, wanted to make a ride that was that colour. That was the only thought behind that. Excuse me, I guess the only thing I haven't shown you is how the path dips underneath the track here and goes into like a bit of an area, really, just an area with toilets and food and whatnot. But yeah, as you can see, plenty of room for like a flat ride or further development around here. And even just the area in general, like there's a load of trees over here. So there is room for other stuff should they need it. But yeah, thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I'll see you sometime probably. I won't see you, but you can watch more videos. Maybe you should subscribe if this is your first one. Bye.